All right, here we are with chapter 3, lesson 10, quotients with zeros. Remember, the quotient is the answer to a division problem, and we're just developing more strategies to divide whole numbers. Example 1. Maya is saving to buy a television. The television costs $327. She plans to save money for 3 months. How much does Maya need to save each month to buy the television? Let M represent the amount Maya needs to save each month. Find the unknown in the equation 327 divided by 3 equals M. We're going to start off by estimating, so we round our 327 to 300. Divided by 3 is 100, so it'll be about $100 a month. First step, divide the hundreds. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then multiply, right? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 3 times 1, we're always multiplying by the quotient that we just got, the partial quotient there. So that's 3. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. So now we have a new division problem here. 2 divided by 3. Well, 2 divided by 3 we can't do yet. We haven't learned how to do that. So we would have to say 0, right? 3 fits into 2 not evenly. Our answer is 0. Then we multiply. 3 times 0 is 0. Subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Now we're back to divide. 27 divided by 3. How many 3's fit into 27? 8. Nope. 9, sorry. Duh. And then 3 times 9 equals 27. Subtract. Nothing left to bring down, and no remainder. Our answer is 109. So she needs to save $109 per month in order to have enough for the television after 3 months. 109 is very close to 100. Therefore, our estimate makes sense. Our answer makes sense. So basically, the key to this, we're doing the exact same thing we've been doing for a while, but if the answer is 0, then we put the 0 in place. Okay? You can't just leave a blank there, because if I left it blank, I might end up with the answer of 19, which is way off. This is why you do an estimate too. If you got 19, but your estimate was 100, then you'll know, okay, I must have made a mistake somewhere. But if you're doing some part of the equation or the problem, and the answer is 0, then you'll place that 0. All right, now we're on page 216, example 2. We have 5,231 divided by 4. One way to also know that you might end up having a 0 in your quotient is noticing that 4 is bigger than some of these digits, but it also depends on what's brought down before, right? So how many 4's fit into 5? Just 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, bring down. Now we have a new division problem. 12 divided by 4, which is 3. So notice that wasn't the place where there was a 0. 12 subtract 12 is 0. Bring down. Now we have 3 divided by 4. How many 4's fit evenly into 3? 0, because it's bigger. You can't do this yet, but you will learn later on in the year how to do 3 divided by 4. when we get to fractions after Christmas break. All right, so 1, we bring it on down. Our new division problem is 31 divided by 4. So how many 4s fit into 31 without going over? Okay. So we've got 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract. And our remainder is 3. Because there's nothing left to bring down, and 3 is smaller than 4. So I don't have a whole group. I only have 3/4. I don't have a full group of 4 left. So the answer is 1,307, remainder 3. When you're trying to check your work, you're going to take the whole number and multiply it by 4 for 5,228. And then you take the remainder and you add it. Okay, you can't multiply the remainder in. Guided practice. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract. Bring down. Technically, this is 800, you'll see. Okay. Bring down the 4. Now we have 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract. Bring down the 2. That could be 40. But either way, those zeros are not changing because we're really just dealing with those first digits. So that's why with the standard algorithm, we don't typically write those in, and we're just doing those smaller problems right inside the bigger problem. Now we have 2 divided by 4. You cannot fit a group of 4 into 2, so that's 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract. Compare. Nothing left to bring down. 2 is smaller than 4, so my remainder is 2. All right, come back with questions. Have a great day.